Hello guys, so today we are making mango and strawberry desserts, so come check it out. Okay guys, so I have two bowls here, one with just the mango puree and the other one with the strawberry mango puree. See that? So now we're going to make the whipped aquafaba. Alright guys, so aquafaba really is just the water from the chickpeas or any kind of beans. Alright guys, so I'm continually folding this in, aquafaba inside of the strawberry mango puree. As you see, I already whipped up folded in the mango puree with the aquafaba, and I left a little bit behind for garnish. So I'm gonna mix this all in guys, and I'm gonna pour it into some cups and show you guys the final results. I just want to let you guys know that I did not add any extra sugar or anything like that because the mangoes were so super sweet and ripe that they do not need any sugar. So this is actually a very healthy dessert guys for you. It's gonna taste so good but so healthy. Alright guys, and there you have it, our strawberry mango parfait and our mango parfait. These are very refreshing, delicious, and so good for you. Let's eat guys, kain na tayo. And I wanted to try right in front of you guys the consistency. So good guys.